Ready? You ready? Go back to sleep. Okay. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep, Lucky. Stop waking up.
Be too impressed.
What
See what else he makes.
Go back to sleep. Stop waking up. Go back to sleep. Stop. Go back to sleep. Go.
Christmas time today. Santa
Go back to sleep. Guys.
Okay. This next music montage features clips set to the most elegant of dances, the waltz. And here to show us what a waltz should be is my friend from Dancing with the Stars, Ashley.
Go back to sleep. Why do you keep waking up? Here. Stop. Shut.
Like, you remember what I taught you?
Kinda.
I know.
Come behind me.
Your head keeps on getting in the way.
That's what the waltz looks like, right?
Okay, go back to sleep.
Kinda.
Well, these people aren't exactly light on
Roll
their
over.
feet.
Go back to sleep.
Come on, just let him go to sleep.
I know, I'm waiting for you. Close your mouth. Go back to
Why?
sleep now.